Welcome sa zip9.com. This video tutuloy natin yung ating series about domain and range, no? Sa first function natin, we have square root of x minus 1 over square root of x minus 3. We have, sabi natin, pag nasa loob tayo ng radical sign, ibig sabihin, yung number na sa loob nun is greater than or equal to 0. Dahil pag less than 0 yan, ibig sabihin negative siya. Square root of a negative number is undefined. So meaning yung x minus 1 must be greater than or equal to 0, no? Which means that x is greater than or equal to 1. No? If we add, this is 0. If we add 1 to both sides, magiging 0 ito, x na matitira, and then we add 1 here, we have x greater than 1. Now, although nasabi natin greater than or equal to 0, yung nasa ilalim ng radical, no? the number under the radical. Pero dito, special case ito kasi denominator siya. So, greater than or equal to 0, meaning greater than 0, tsaka equal 0, di ba? Pero ito, hindi siya pwede maging equal 0 kasi pag nag-equal 0 dito, magkakaroon tayo ng 0 denominator, which is undefined. No? So, ibig sabihin, hindi pwede ito. No? Pag nag-square root of 0 ka dyan, maging square root of 0 is 0. Some number over 0 is undefined. So, hindi pwede yung equal 0. Meaning, ito lang tayo. So, x minus 3 is greater than 0. X is greater than 3. Now, ito yung medyo confusing, no? Kasi, yung isang domain natin, sabi niya, greater than 1 siya, tapos greater than 3. No? So, alin dito sa mga to ang pwede? Isa lang yung pwede dyan, di ba? Kasi same direction yan eh, papunta sa kanan. Check natin yung greater than 1. So, pag na-greater than or equal to 1 ka, ibig sabihin pwedeng 1, di ba? So, try natin mag-substitute. 1 minus 1 is 0, so walang problema. Square root of 0 is 0. And then here, square root of 1 minus 3. Pag x equals 1. 1 minus 3 is negative 2. Square root of negative 2 is undefined. So, hindi pwede ito. No? Ibig sabihin, ito yung domain natin. Actually, pag may x is greater than a ka, tsaka x is greater than b, no? Usually, yung kung alin yung mas malaki, no? But again, depende yan sa situation. We have to check also. We have to check dun sa given. But here, chinek natin, hindi pwedeng yung 1. So, we have, the domain is greater than 3, no? Domain is, meaning, greater than 3. Hindi kasama yung 3, di ba? So, this is 3 and lahat yan. Pakanan. So, we have 3. Hindi kasama yung 3 up to infinity. Okay? So, we can check kung tama yung domain natin. This is a different function. So, maybe we'll check. We'll make another window. We'll open another window. So, here we have, ano yung function natin? Square root of x minus 1 over square root of x minus 3. So we have p of x equals square root of x minus 1 over square root of x minus 3. Okay? So ganito siya. Okay, yung domain natin is, tama ba? X minus 1, x minus 3. Domain natin is, ano sabi dito? 3, no? Up to infinity. Hindi kasama yung 3. Meaning, yung line na to hindi siya tumatama dito. Yung graph na to hindi siya tumatama dito sa x equals 3. No? Although na mukha siyang tumatama dito, but if you zoom in, I think I've done this before, no? Although na mukhang tumatama siya sa x equals 3, pag zoom in mo actually, yan, hindi yan tatama kahit kailan kasi not equal to 3 ngayon. Kasi pag nag-3 minus 3 siya, maging 0 siya. Square root of 0 is 0. Any number divided by 0 is undefined. So, tama. Yung ating domain here is from negative, from 3, no? Not including 3 up to infinity, which is ito, from 3 to infinity. Okay, so our second function, we have square root of x minus 5, plus 5. Bakit naputol ito? over x squared minus 4x plus 3. So, combination ito ng radical function tsaka rational function, no? So, radical yung sa taas niya, tapos naka-fraction siya. Again, this number must not be a negative number, so greater than or equal to 0 siya. So, x plus 5 is greater than or equal to 0, meaning we have x is greater than or equal to negative 5. Subtracting 5 from both sides, no? And then, yung sa baba, bawal yung 0, so x squared minus 4x plus 3 is not equal to 0, meaning we can factor, no? I think this is x minus 3 tsaka x minus 1 not equal to 0. Hindi pwede maging 0, meaning hindi sila pwedeng maging 0 pareho. Meaning x minus 3 not equal to 0 and x minus 1 not equal to 0. Adding 3 to both sides, we have x is not equal to 3 and x not equal to 1. So, kung meron tayong number line, meron tayong negative 5, meron tayong 3, saka meron tayong 1. So, this is 1 for example. This is 3. Bawal silang dalawa, not equal. So may bilog tayo dito. Blanco. But all numbers greater than or equal to negative 5 being domain. So, from negative 5, lahat ng numbers from here up to here. Siyempre, hindi niya tatamaan yung 1, no? Kasi not equal to 1. Tapos, from here to here. And from here up to here. To positive infinity. So, meaning the domain, no? The domain of the function is equal to, ano yan? So, from negative 5, kasama yung negative 5. So, square bracket, up to 1, hindi kasama yung 1. And then, from 1 to 3, parang hindi kasama, kaya parenthesis. And then, from 3 to infinity. Okay? Yun yung ating domain. So, gagawin lang natin yan, lalagyan lang natin na union sign. Nakaka-curious ko na yung graph nito. Actually, nakita niyo na yung graph kanina. No? So, we can just hide this. We have y equals, ito yung ang ating function. We have y equals square root of x plus 5. Tama? Over x squared minus 4x plus 3. Tama ba? Check natin. The square root of x plus 5, tama, over x squared minus 4x plus 3. Tama, no? So, ang domain natin from here, check natin yung domain. Sabi natin yung domain, yung ano, di ba? Yung set of x coordinates. So, yung domain niya from negative 5, diba? Can zoom in siguro. So, from negative 5 siya. And then, hanggang saan? Negative 5 up to I think that's up to 1. Yan, negative 5 up to 1. Not including 1 kasi mukhang asymptote to eh. And then from 1, negative 5 to 1. Tama ba? Negative 5 to 1, not including 1. And then 1 to 3, not including both numbers. No? Not including, it means not including 1 and not including 3. So, from 1 up to 3, no? Ganyan. Nag-approach sila sa 1 tsaka sa 3. And then from 3, from 3 here, sa line na to up to infinity, no? Which is the same as this one. Okay, so mukhang tama tayo, no? Okay, that's it. Gusto ko invite sa zip9.com yung ating website at yung ating YouTube channel, no? Kung nanonood kayo, pwede kayo mag-subscribe, no? Kasi marami na tayong videos. Okay, that's it. That's all for now. I hope marami kayong natutunan dito sa ating video series. Maraming salamat. See you in the next tutorial.